Now let's see how to write two or more fractions as a single fraction. And this is basically we have to see how to subtract these fractions. When we're going to see that how to add up or subtract the fractions, we should be like, this is a really a nice nicely written down question, because he is making you recall how to add the like fractions. Okay, now this is 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. This is basically, if you say that these are 2/5 being added with 1/5, so that is clearly going to be 3/5. Okay, 3/5. This is going to be 4/7. Okay, when we try this seventh question over here, now there are 5/8 and there is 1/4. Okay, so we can't add them together. They should either both be the quarters or they should both be the eighths. So it's easier to make the bigger number as the denominator here. So the LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. Okay, so I'll be multiplying this by 2 and this by 2. So now I have 5/8 and 2/8 which are being added. So this is going to be 5 over 8 plus 2 over 8. That gives me 7/8. Okay, so if I move on to this third question, this is 2 out of x plus 1 out of x. So we have these two like fractions. Yes, both of them have x as the denominator, and obviously these are like fractions. So we can simply write this as 3 over x. We can easily write this as 4 over 7x. But if you look at this ninth question, you compare this ninth question maybe with the seventh question. So you have 8x and you have 4x. So both the denominators should be same. So we can make this 4x, 8x easily by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 2. So this is going to be 5 over 8x. And then you have plus 2 over 8x. You see that? And now this is going to be 7 over 8x. Okay? So when you have to add up the fractions, just like the fractions that you have been adding in your early classes, it's the same. Now, the only difference is that you have the things in these algebraic expressions here. Okay, now who will tell me that what is the, if you look at this 13th question, what is the LCM of 4 and 5?
20.
20.
Then what will be the LCM of 4x and 5x?
20x square.
No, it is 20x. Don't say 20x square. Okay, this is 4x, 5x, because x is there with both of them. Okay, so the LCM of, but let's just practice the LCM thing. The LCM of 4x and 5x is, the LCM of 4x and 5x is 20x. Now tell me, what if it was 4x and 5y? What is the LCM of 4x and 5y?
20xy.
Exactly, very good. So the LCM for this would be 20xy. Okay, now tell me, what will be the LCM for 4x and 5x squared? Now this will be 20x squared. Okay, because 20x squared is a multiple of 4x. It is also the multiple of 5x squared. Okay, now who would tell me that what is the LCM of x and y?
X.
And y. So what is the LCM of x and y?
xy.
xy. Okay, the LCM of x and y is xy. What will be the LCM of, but so please yes, you need to participate here. What will be the LCM of x and x plus 1?
x plus 1.
होएगा
Yes, Sonia, क्या कह रहे हो?
सिर्फ x होएगा
नहीं बेटा, देखो
x plus 1 होगा सर.
नहीं, देखें. Suppose you have something over x plus something over x plus 1. Okay. So the LCM, like someone has written something in the chat. Let me see what is that. No, not 2x plus 1. Now this will be,
X.
let me make it more confusing for you. Just a minute. Okay. Um okay, what if it was 2 and 2 plus 1? What is the LCM of 2 and 2 plus 1?
4.
Hmm? Kyun bhai, what is the LCM of 2 and 2? Bolo? What is the LCM of 2 and 2 plus 1?
6.
6.
6.
Very good. That is basically 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay. So which is going to be 2 into 3. Okay. So what should be the LCM of x and x plus 1?
X squared plus X.
Or x into x plus 1. Bachcho, please batao yaar. This is the LCM of x and x plus 1. If you guys agree that 2 and 2 plus 1 have an LCM which is 2 into 3, which is going to be 6. So you must agree with me that x and x plus 1, their LCM is going to be x into x plus 1. Okay? What if you have x plus 1 and x plus 2? What will be the LCM now? Yes.
X
X
square
2x.
Yeah, multiplying.
plus
You
P.
can simply say x plus 1. Don't expand this. Acha, Mustaqim is making a mistake. He's expanding this. You should never expand the LCM, okay? So this is x plus 1 times x plus 2. That's it. Like this was x into x plus 1. This is x plus 1 times x plus 2. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now, who will tell me that what is the LCM of, if you guys learn how to find this LCM, you see this is a great skill. You will be the algebra champs, okay? Okay, now, Malaika, you can also participate in this discussion. ठीक है ना? अच्छा, who will tell me that what is the LCM of x minus 2 and x plus 3? Yes, Samiha, you tell me. What is the LCM of these two?
Sir, x minus 2 into x plus 3.
Very good, beta. Very good. So that is the LCM here. Now, just one harder question. What if you have x minus 2 and x minus 2 whole square? So what will be your LCM?
X minus 2 cube.
Now, this is a common mistake. You people simply multiply them. What is the LCM of? Tell me, what is the LCM of 2 and 2 square? Hmm?
2 कॉमन लेंगे.
Any? 2 and, just tell me what the LCM of 2 and 2 square. Don't talk about taking common or anything like that.
4.
4, very good. Because you can think about this 2 square as 4, okay? So the LCM of 2 and 4 is going to be 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So just see this is 2 and 2 square. So the one with the bigger power, that will be the LCM. That is 2 and 2 square. So the LCM is going to be
4.
2 squared, which is going to be 4. So what should be the LCM of x minus 2 and x minus 2 square?
X minus 2 square.
Yeah,
X
that is,
minus 2 square.
yeah. Okay. Now what if, let me see who tells this. What if you have x plus 1 and x plus 2? What is the LCM of these three? Let's see who gives the answer.
X plus 2.
Yes, Hassan. What is the LCM of these three?
Sir, x plus 1 into x plus 2.
Samiha, the LCM of these three.
Sir, x को common ले सकते हैं हम?
Tell me, is it common here?
जी sir.
नहीं बेटा, कैसे common हो? This is not common.
Sir,
X is not common. If they are being multiplied, like x into 2 hota, x into 1 hota, Then you could say, hi, Rx is common. Yes, Malaika, what do you think? What is the LCM of x, x plus 1, and x plus 2?
X plus 1 into x plus 2.
It is x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. That is the LCM. That is the LCM. X into x plus 1. बच्चों देखो x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Are you convinced or not? Tell me. What if you had, let me change this x with 2. You can always do this. Suppose if you had 2, 3, and let's say, let me keep this as 3, 4, and 5. So what is the LCM of 3, 4, and 5? That is obviously 3 into 4 into 5. If you know how to find the LCM mentally. Okay, now going to go back to this. So luckily we don't get more than 2 fractions. So I'll be doing this side quickly so that you people can practice this again on your own. Okay, I'll be making this area.
So it is page number 174 of our book.
Okay, beta. Okay, that's good. Okay, now look at this 30th question. So we want to add these two fractions as 3 over x minus 2 plus 4 over x plus 1. These are completely two different expressions. Whenever you have two different expressions, you simply multiply them. The LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 1. So this will be 3 into x plus 1. And this will be 4 into x minus 2. Is there anything that I need to explain to you that how did we write this? Or is it clear? क्यों भाई? बच्चों, there is a step in between, like, you know, if I could show you that how can we, like, you know, you're clear that the LCM is going to be x minus 2 and into x plus 1. So let's write this as x minus 2 plus this is x plus 1. You have 3 here. You have, this is a step that we do in your earlier classes. And I'm just going to show you that you will multiply this with x plus 1. And this will also be multiplied by x plus 1. You will be multiplying this with x minus 2. And this will also be multiplied by x minus 2. You see, now both the fractions, they have the same denominators. So we can keep this here as x minus 2 into x plus 1. So I can simplify this as 3x plus 3 plus 4x minus 8. So this is 7x minus 5. Never ever expand the denominator. You should keep it factorized. So just note it down. Never ever expand the denominator. Okay. I can do one more question and then you guys can practice this. Okay, you have the books with you. You can take a screenshot if you want to try these questions. Okay, now look at this. Let me try this 27th questions for you. So you have 5 over x minus 2 plus 4 over x plus 1. So what is the LCM here?
X minus 2 into x plus 2.
Yeah, so we need to multiply this with x plus 1. So this will be multiplied by x plus 1. This will be multiplied by x minus 2. So is this x4, okay? So you have this x minus 2 into x plus 1, okay? And this is 5x plus 5 plus 4x minus 8. This is going to be 9x minus 3 over x minus 2 into x plus 1, okay? Sometimes we do get the numerators which can be further factorized. But you see, there will be no use of this factorization because there is no cancellation here. but I'm still factorizing this. So this is what you have at the end. This is a fraction. Two fractions have been written as a single fraction over here. Okay. So I believe you can practice these questions and learn how to add or subtract two fractions here. Okay. Now there's one thing that I want you to reinforce here. Um, if you look at this question number 28 and 29, these are the questions, or even this 22. If you look at the past year questions, there is mostly a question on the subtraction. So you have to use the brackets. There is already a 5 here, but look at this. This is 2 over x plus 3. This is the 29th question I'm doing, okay? And then you have minus 5 over x minus 1. So the LCM is x plus 3 into x minus 1. So I'll multiply this with x minus 1, this with x minus 1, this with x plus 3, and this with x plus 3. So we have x plus 3 into x minus 1. This is 2x minus 2. Be aware of this minus here. This is minus 5x minus 15. So this is minus 3x minus 17 over x plus 3 into x minus 1. Oh, guys, I hope you understood how to subtract or add the given algebraic fractions.